We bring informational videos for you to boost your knowledge in crypto, and you can take a deep dive with us in the world of crypto, learning things technically and fundamentally. The cost is just one subscribe button. Welcome everyone, my name is Rehan, and in today's video we are going to learn what is PancakeSwap, how you can connect your hardware wallet to MetaMask, how you can add BSC and Matic mainnet on MetaMask, and finally how to use PancakeSwap for swapping and staking. So let's begin. What is PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap is similar to Ethereum's Uniswap and is an AMM, which stands for Automated Market Maker, a decentralized finance application (DeFi) that allows users to exchange tokens, providing liquidity while farming and earning fees in return. It launched in September 2020 and is a decentralized exchange for swapping BEP20 tokens on Binance Smart Chain. PancakeSwap uses an automated market maker (AMM) model where users trade against a liquidity pool. These pools are filled by users who deposit their funds into the pool and receive liquidity provider (LP) tokens in return. PancakeSwap allows users to trade BEP20 tokens, provide liquidity to the exchange, and earn fees, stake LP tokens to earn cake, stake cake to earn more cake, and stake cake to earn tokens of other projects. Cake is native token of PancakeSwap based on Binance Smart Chain, and it's ranked at 35 by CoinMarketCap. An all-time high was $44, while the current price of Cake is $18.5, and there's no maximum supply for Cake. It's actually unlimited. Before we proceed further in the video, I want to show you how to set up MetaMask wallet on BSC mainnet. That's because MetaMask is Ethereum-based decentralized application, but PancakeSwap runs on Binance Smart Chain. So to make it compatible with PancakeSwap, we have to add custom RPC. So let's see how you can do that in a few simple steps. So right now we are on my MetaMask wallet. So to add Binance Smart Chain, you have to click on My Account, go to Settings, click on Networks, then click on Add Network, and then you have to fill out these details. Chain ID 56, symbol is BNB, and new RPC URL. See, it says invalid RPC URL. That's because I have a copied space as well, so make sure that there's no space. And the last thing is Block Explorer URL. After filling out these details, just simply click on Save button. And as you can see, we have successfully added Smart Chain. Some pupils were asking me how to add Mythic Network, so I will show you how you can do that. Follow the same steps, go to Settings, go to Networks, click on Add Network, and fill out these details. And last one is Block Explorer URL. So after filling out these details, I didn't copy it. After filling out these details, click on Save button, and as you can see, Matic mainnet has been added successfully. So that's it guys, that's how you add Matic and Smart Chain network. So let's keep going on guys, and let's see how you can connect your hardware wallet to your MetaMask. I have already connected it. If you want, then you can use your normal MetaMask account, but in this case I'm going to use my hardware. We will be using Trezor hardware wallet in my case, and we need a USB cable. It's type A to macro cable, and we will give it output through USB 2.0 or USB 3.0, and then we can simply access our hardware wallet through its official site or desktop application. So to connect your hardware wallet, you have to click on My Accounts, click on Connect Hardware Wallet, and then select whether you have Ledger or Trezor. I have a Trezor, so I will select Trezor, click on Continue, and then it's gonna ask you for some pins and passwords. So I'll enter my pin After entering your PIN, it will ask you for your passphrase, so I'll enter my passphrase. Then confirm on your device, and now from here you can select multiple addresses. So I recommend using only one, so you will not get confused. So I have already added my first one. After selecting that, you just can click on unlock, and your wallet will be connected successfully. So I have already done that, so I'll not do that. So now let's see how you can use PancakeSwap. So first of all, make sure that you are on the right site. The official website is PancakeSwap.finance here, as you can see. So first you have to connect your wallet. Click on connect, and then if you are on desktop, then you can use MetaMask and other wallets as well. I'll be using MetaMask. I'll click on it. Seems like it needs a refresh. As you can see, my wallet has been connected successfully, but as you can see, this is my normal account, not my hardware wallet. You have to select here. So guys, as you can see, my Trezor has been connected successfully. As you can see, Trezor, the last 4 digits are 92 EB. As you can see, 92 EB has been connected successfully. So here, if you click on trade and click on exchange, then from here you can swap your tokens, and if you click on liquidity, then you can add liquidity on PancakeSwap. So if you want to, let's say I have BUSD and I want to buy cake, so I will select maximum, which is 201 BUSD, and if I click on swap, then it's gonna lead you to a confirmation page like this, confirm swap, and make sure that you have some BNB in your account to pay as gas fee. So if I click on BUSD, as you can see, it will ask me for transaction fee, and the gas fee will be paid using BNB. So make sure that you have some BNB, and first of all, the fee is very cheap compared to Ethereum network. So just you can transfer a little bit BNB. As you can see, fee is very cheap. So if I click on confirm, then the transaction will be executed successfully. So I'm not going to do that. Anyways, let's see how you can stake your tokens. So to stake, click on earn, go to farms, and now click on pools. Now here, as you can see, you can stake cake for cake, and I'll tell you in a while what's the difference between auto cake and manual cake, and why there is a huge difference between APY and APR. As you can see, if you stake cake, they can earn NFT. If you stake cake, then you can earn other projects token as well, like Chess, Telos, Hero, and there are so many other projects. BTT is also here, but I think all of them are trash except a few like BTT and Bell. Anyways, so what is the difference between manual cake and auto cake? See, suppose you have $1,000. So according to the current price of cake, which is $18.50, you will get approximately 54.7 cake. So if you stake it for 1 year, then based on 54.74 cake, you will get 31 cake extra, which is approximately 57% APR. As you can see, 57%. But what is auto cake? See, if you click on as you can see, $1,000, and if you click on compounding, before you was getting 31 cake extra, and now you're getting 11 more extra, 42 in total. Let's say you have $1,000, and if you stake it for 1 day, so the average income you'll be making per day will be $1.57. So what will happen when you click on compound every day? This $1.57 worth of cake will be added to your staking amount, and this 0.086 cake every day added to your staking amount will generate more APR. So that's why if you compound it for every single day, then you will be making 11 cake extra. But I think if you're going to stake your cake, then it's definitely worth to compound it, because the new cakes you'll be getting from staking as a reward will not come into any, so better you stake those cakes as well. So let's see how you can stake cake. You just have to click on enable button and then just click on stake. As you can see, I don't have cake, so before staking cake I have to buy some cake. So if you send cake to your Trust Wallet account, it will appear here. See, but it's not, it's as you can see, we don't have any option for cake here. So what you have to do, just simply go to CoinMarketCap, type cake here, and then click on this button, add to MetaMask. Just click on confirm, and I have to confirm on my Trezor device. I'll do it, and then you will see that cake will appear here. See, it will ask you to add cake token. As you can see, cake has been added. So if you're withdrawing from Binance or any other wallet, then make sure that you select BEP20, Binance Smart Chain Network, to send your cakes to MetaMask wallet. Once you receive your cakes here, you can simply click on stake and then just add the amount you want to stake, and your staking will start. So I'll show you how you can do that. I don't have cake in US, so I'll buy it just to show you. Click on exchange. I'll be using BUSD and I want to buy cake. I'll select, let's say I want to use $20. So for $20 I'll be getting approx 1.09 cake. Enable BUSD. I have to pay gas fee, and I have to confirm on my Trezor device. Just wait for a moment, guys, until it's enabled. As you can see, it's done. So I will simply click on swap, confirm swap, and then pay gas fee. Click on confirm, and I have to confirm on my Trezor again. Now click on add cake to MetaMask, add token, transaction submitted, transaction completed, and my cake will appear here in a moment. As you can see, guys, we have successfully swapped $20 worth of tea to cake. Now let's stake it. So to stake, go to earn pools, click on stake button, and sufficient cake. I think we need more cake. Just wait for a moment, guys. So here you can see, if you click on maximum, then it will use maximum cake are available in your MetaMask wallet. So since I purchased only a few, so I will click on max and then click on confirm. As you can see, the total ROI return of investment I will get, by the end of year will be $15, and I purchased cake worth only $20, so it's definitely too much. It's worth. So I will confirm on my device once again. Just wait a moment. as you can see, staked. Your funds have been staked in the pool. Now let me show you how it looks like. So as you can see, cake staked, and they are automatically compounding. Here you can see. So guys, if I want to add more cake, then you can simply click on plus button. Since I don't have more cake available, so it's showing insufficient balance. So, and if you want to unstake cake, anyways you can stake, simply click on this minus button and then select the amount you want to unstake and then click on confirm. But keep in the mind, when you stake cake, so if you unstake it within 3 days, then you have to pay a penalty of 0.1%. After 3 days you can unstake without any cost of penalty. This condition applies whenever you add new cake to your staking amount. So let's unstake it. It's okay, will be the 0.1% penalty. It's not too much. I'll click on confirm and then I'll pay gas fee. Select my Trezor device and confirm on my device. And we have to keep some patience until it's confirmed successfully. As you can see, confirm transaction. As you can see, so guys, here we are on my mobile phone. It's an Android. So let's see how we can use PancakeSwap on a smartphone. You have to go to Play Store and download Trust Wallet application. I have already downloaded, so I'm clicking on open and I have already created an account. So if it's your first time, then create your account and then you will get a 12-word recovery seed. Make sure that you back up on a physical paper, not on your smartphone or in a computer. Now click on D-Apps and from here you can enter the URL or just access from the list. So we will go to PancakeSwap.finance. It's very easy and the UI is very clean, so you will not get confused. So this is UI of Pancake and mobile. This is exchange, and from here you can provide liquidity. And if you click on earn, then from here you can do farming and staking. To stake cake, you have to click on pools, and then from here you can do manual and auto compounding staking.